That's what it kind of tastes like. But what is up, you guys? Welcome back to my YouTube channel. So I decided to pick up a new protein. This is the Ghost Vegan. This flavor is peanut butter cereal milk. That sounds so good. And I think Ghost is known, the company is known for having delicious flavors. And I've heard so much hype about this protein. I've heard amazing things and I've heard bad things. First things first. The packaging is so nice, like the words are raised. I know that's not what we look for in protein, and I always usually do peanut butter vegan protein because then I can skip out on adding more peanut butter to it, so I'll save some fat. So the nutrition facts, this is per scoop, 120 calories, 1.5 grams of fat, 6 carbs, 1 dietary fiber, 21 grams of protein. So a free, gluten-free, and no veggie spike. Mix each scoop with 8 to 10 ounces of water. There's also 28 servings per container. The container was $44. I bought it from GNC. I don't know if it's cheaper or more expensive on the website, but I'll leave a link below for you guys. We're gonna get into it. I'm gonna use my NutriBullet. Top is off. That's what the top looks like. Oh my gosh, I love this already. Their protein scoopers at the top. Every company needs to do this because I'm sick and tired of digging all the way to the bottom just to get the scooper. Look, there's a ghost on it. It smells okay. This is also in it. We are gonna start off with some almond milk. I'm gonna do about 1 cup of almond milk. I'm using the almond milk unsweetened vanilla. That should be good. I'm gonna do 1 scoop of the protein. Next up, I like to add strawberries. Put about like, oops, 5 or 6. I would also usually put a banana in it, but I already had a banana today, so we're gonna skip the banana for now. Next, we're just gonna put some ice. So basically all I have in here is 1 cup of almond milk, 1 scoop of protein, and about 5 or 6 strawberries. Like I said, I would usually put a banana, but we're gonna skip that today. Let's blend it up. I'm using my Ninja blender. Cover your ears. That's not bad. Honestly, I like that. Usually vegan protein is very chalky. You know what it tastes like? It kind of tastes like I put vanilla protein and I added the peanut butter powder. That like powdered peanut butter that's really low calories. That's what it kind of tastes like. Next, I'm gonna try it with just water. That's the ultimate test. Is your vegan protein good with just regular water? Here we go. Smells good. It's not the best with regular water, but it's not terrible. Like, it's not super chalky. I just really don't taste the peanut butter too much. It kind of tastes like vanilla with a touch of peanut butter, if you know what I'm saying. I think I'm gonna keep it. I think at GNC, if you're not satisfied, you can return it. I believe that's a return policy. I'm not too sure if that has changed throughout the years. I haven't shopped to GNC in a minute. I usually order everything online. So that pretty much wraps up the review. Would I recommend Ghost Vegan Protein? I would. Have I had better? I have had better, but this is really good. This is up there. This is definitely up there. Out of all the vegan proteins I've tried, I would say this is my 2nd favorite. If you guys have any questions, comments, leave them down below. I'll also leave my blender link in the description. If you guys want to see more videos like this, give it a thumbs up, and I will see you in my next video.